Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I know I have been missing in action on this channel for a while. Life came into the way. I was busy traveling, working, etc. etc. But today I wanted to make a video unboxing my Neura planner. By this time, you already know that I'm obsessed with the Neura planners. For the last 2 years, I think I have exclusively been using the Neura planner. I want to change this year, but I'm not getting anything. I'll be honest. So last year, I purchased an A6 size for my journal, and I have been using this. This is the one. I have been using this very consistently. I'm going to film a video on my year end planner stack, and I will show you how much I have used this. And because I have loved this size so much, I decided, at least for the journal, I'm not making any change. I will go with the A6 size even this year. So I have decided to go with the A6 size, but to just switch things up, I have bought a soft bound planner. So what happened is last year, as I said, I was traveling a lot, but I really couldn't take my journal everywhere. Again, I could write a travel journal, take another book, but I was too lazy for it. Sometimes I ended up writing on my phone in the night, or sometimes I just didn't end up writing at all. So this year, sorry, let me just finish this and get back. It was tougher than I thought. It was very, very well packed. This year, I decided to go for the softbound version. Again, I expect myself to travel a lot this year as well. So I'm hoping I could be able to take it with me without worrying about the weight, is why and of course, I wanted a change as well. So as usual, Neora planners come in this very, very standard box. And first thing you'll see is the thank you card, their story, the user guide, which I really appreciate. Now I have pretty much used this so many times that I don't need it, but I do really appreciate. Oh my god, this is so cute. I expected this to be slightly larger, but nonetheless, I like the size. This is actually, I would be able to carry this every single day. This is so cute. And this is my last year's hardbound A6. Yeah, this is my current A6 planner, and this is much, much smaller than that. But this is so cute. I don't regret this either. I think I write a lot, so this space might be a little less for me. But apart from that, this is so cute. I would love to decorate this. And of course, I'm just going to check everything inside of this. The first page, then you have the book belongs to, etc. The vision board. I have stopped making vision boards completely because I've seen I'm not consistent looking or watching them. Then I have the yearly tracker, which even last year I didn't do any. Monthlies. Then you have weeklies. I was so consistent with the weeklies. You would see in the planner flip throughs. But then I think somewhere down the line, I didn't do a lot of weekly check ins. And then I have dailies all the way. Wow, this is as usual. I would not say this is anything different. This is exactly how it was last year, and I loved it, and that is the reason I ordered it again. Um, I just want to see how it lays flat. It does lay flat pretty decently. Then we have the regular habit trackers, which also I don't use. Expense tracker I don't use. Uh, Passions, again, blank pages, I use them at blank pages. Year in review, again, I don't use them. I just use this book for daily, absolute daily journaling, and I love this book for it. So there's nothing drastically different this year. I absolutely love it. There's nothing changed, and that is what I love about Neura planners. I am in love with the papers. I'm in love with the grid. This grid size is exactly my handwriting size. So I absolutely love everything. I think this is the 5 mm grid, if I'm not wrong. But I will report back if it is a different grid size. I absolutely love everything about this book. You guys already know I'm going to use it a ton. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to start a planner marathon series. Again, I'm working on it. I'm not really sure when will I film and edit and everything. But I've been researching about a lot of planners, and I thought of making that video. I think the last planner marathon video that I made was 2 to 3, 4 years ago. So I'm planning to make a planner marathon video. Uh, series, actually not a video, a planner marathon series where I go through a lot of planners in the market. Let me know if there is a planner that I should look at. Please put it in the comment section and I will hopefully get to it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.